What's going on, guys? We're over here at Bandamere, taking wides.
Hopefully better.
Civic out here, see if he can run faster than
I haven't tested it. I don't know.
than a 12.5. This car hasn't been on my channel for a while, but if you can't tell, you got a slick and skinny setup for it. We also did helped him put a 10-point in it, so it's all caged and shit now. It's got a 10-point. He runs 12.5s.
Fuck you, dude. Alright, I'm gonna run through tech.
But he's gonna go tech in real quick and see what we can do today. Pretty nice day out. It was sunny as shit earlier, like 95 degrees out, and now it's kind of cloudy and kind of perfect, to be honest. So should be a fun night. What car?
Oh,
what the fuck, on, bro? It's like a
painted up for a cop.
It's like a Pro Street. Can't see it. Don't care. So, run down on your Civic real quick for the people who don't know. Makes 500 horsepower-ish.
Yeah, so I'll just do a quick real thing. It's got nipping pistons, knife-on pistons, scat rods, big fuel, big-ish turbo, an M-shake manifold. It's a GTX 3582R, so it's the billet ball bearing badass eBay one.
Yeah, but nothing too big.
Yeah, nothing too big. It's like a 62 mil,
something like that. GSR tranny, all stock with a welded diff because we like to party. We don't like to party.
I like to party. Snapped axles are a thing of the past, baby.
Only
still drive it on the trailer.
Party. Well, whatever. A real basic setup, E85.
Yeah, E85.
500 horsepower.
491, 494 to be exact, but yeah.
But we've been having issues with it not making boost.
Yeah, so we were out here at IDRC. Car was only making like 5 pounds of boost. We couldn't get it to do anything more. Don't know what its deal was. Next pass made 10 pounds, so today hopefully we remedied some of the issues and it goes down the track and makes a clean pass for once.
Yeah. Best pass in it is a 12.5 today, so
yep.
Just like the CRX, it should have enough power to trap at least 130.
Right.
So if we can do that, try to get it into 11s.
This thing should run high 10s if everything went perfect. Yeah. And the way the car is right now, it should easily do 11s.
Yeah, hopefully.
If it runs right.
Yeah. And you don't make fucking sandwiches in between shifts.
This is true.
So
right now we're just pulling this up to clear out the data logs.
So we can log the next pass and see what boost it makes.
Exactly.
See if you fixed anything, taking everything apart. So,
recordings, yes.
Try to get this first pass done. Looks like it's not too busy, but it is still pretty packed. So they don't have all the lanes filled yet. They just run in 2 lanes, so it's not too bad yet.
Right. Usually on tested 2.9,
it's all 4
lanes.
Yeah. So hopefully get at least 3 to 4 passes. So
right.
At least 3 to 4 passes and see if we can figure out this weird boost issue. What doing?
Shut the fuck up, motherfucker. Stupid ass V8 owners.
Come back here, bitch. So it's probably the happiest I've ever seen you running for like fucking 18s.
Dude, I know.
So why are you so happy? Well, what did we figure out? Figured out something.
I don't know. I'm gonna look over the tune and make sure I didn't make a mistake.
But so what happened? So you hit boost cut, right?
Dude, it hit boost cut in the burnout.
So
it hit boost cut on the launch control.
So what we just figured out, that's a good thing because we have issues making boost.
Yeah.
So now at the same duty cycle, we're making way more boost.
Because it's at like 40% duty cycle. On that, that thing should easily make like 25 psi.
Yeah, but you have boost cut set at like 19.
Boost cut set at 18 psi because it makes 500 at 15 psi.
But that's good though, because last weekend we were out, that same duty cycle only yielded like 13, 15 pounds of boost, right? If that. So yeah, get you the keys.
Yeah, but dude,
just want to do a recap after the pass real quick.
Yeah, quick look at the data log, make adjustments to it, hopefully cut down the duty cycle on the.
We'll put it back to what it normally is at.
Well, it's always, that's what it was at. It was
even at the dyno. I thought it was at like 20 something.
It was on the dyno.
What the fuck?
So
we'll turn it down a little bit.
I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. I don't know. Where I had it mounted, I could see the thing getting some vibration. I'm not sure if it was or not, but I want to say maybe that's the issue with the controller, is it was getting vibration and maybe cutting in and out.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know.
Who knows? Don't know, don't care. Just wants to run a 10.
Wrong side.
So what'd you figure out, dipshit?
I fucking had the lines backwards.
On the boost controller.
Yeah, but we know it holds 23 pounds, so that's cool.
Fucking dipshit.
Life,
so now we turned it down. Because last pass it hit boost cut again.
Yeah. So I was like, hey, I wonder if the lines are switched around, because it's happened before, but like it didn't make any boost. It was capped at wastegate pressure. So I was like, fuck it, I'll look at it. Pretty sure they were upside down.
They were definitely upside down. So
well, I couldn't
now we probably turned it down way too much.
Couldn't see the back side of the solenoid, but it had A and B written on the front, but not next to the ports. So I don't know. I swapped them, and we're gonna see if it makes boost or not.
Yeah. The only thing is, if they were swapped, we turned it down, and now it probably won't make that much boost.
It's gonna make maybe 8 psi.
Just kind of shitty. I thought we fixed the issue, but probably not. Fucking shit.
Well,
we'll see next pass though.
We know that it makes boost though, so it's gotta be 4-port.
It's gotta be something weird.
Fucking tuning or something.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Hopefully next pass goes better. Damn dog, this could have been you.
I couldn't be that clean. Probably never gonna be that clean.
Wow. Started fucking downpouring. So we're gonna head up. I'm gonna head back and go home. Have to come out some other time and see what's going on with his boost issues. So probably get some food and hang out. So what fuck doing?
Fucking getting Taki Star.
Get some taco stars. These fucking dad bods are hungry, dog.
Finest Mexican cuisine in town.
This place is actually pretty bomb. They got some bomb ass breakfast burritos.
Thebomb.com.
Fucking, we got rained out. Just unloaded the fucking car.
Before we
trailer,
test how
tools.
down on power the car was.
I mean, it made some stank at first though.
Oh yeah. The rain.
Yeah, no, dude, I didn't even make it out to Boulder.
Oh shit, cousin.
What's up?
What's going on, dude?
But yeah, no, we got out there. Fucking car.
Dude, it looks sick. It looks sick with those wheels though.
Yeah, it looks way
sick.
better.
All it needs is some paint.
Yeah, that's next.
That's 50 Shades of Gray, dude.
50 Shades of Gray. It's kind of dope, but yeah, it needs paint bad.
Yeah, but it looks really nice. So I like it.
Thank you, man. But
yeah, I saw that. Some little issues, but
yeah, I had the fucking lines on the boost controller backwards. So dude, this thing was like all the sting.
Are you guys gonna go next Wednesday or what?
Yeah, we'll be out there.
I'm gonna see if maybe I'll make it up there. Yeah. Regardless, I'm gonna throw it up in the trailer. That bitch is gonna break down there.
For real.
I'm just jealous you guys made it up there and I didn't.
You didn't miss much.
Yeah, we weren't there for very long, so.
Like I said, we got rained out at 7, so
yeah,
it wasn't worth the shit.
Fucking made 2 passes.
All right, dude.
Cool, man.
You guys' videos up.
Yeah. See you, dude.
All right.
Talk
Yeah, take it easy.
And if you see us next week, stop by.
I will.
All right, man.
Famous, dog.
We're fucking internationally known, brother.
These dad bods, dog. We gonna be famous one day.
We gonna fake it till we make it, boy.
Fucking A.